शिक्षण खात्यान ADIच्या जोडपालवान पेडण्यां बेटी बचाव बेटी पढाव ही जागृताय कार्यावळ आयोजित केल्ली। पेडण्यां तालुक्यांतल्या सुमार 30 इश्कोलांच्या प्रतिनिधींनी ह्या कार्यावळींत भाग घेतिल्लो। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
विधायक काम करा। लेट अस डू अ मास अवेअरनेस। व्हडल्या प्रमाणात ताचे अवेअरनेस जावनी आख्या पेडणे तालुक्यात घराघरांनी बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढाओ चेर गाणी गावनी लोकांक आणि मागीर अशें अवेअरनेस जातकूच आवय बापाय बी दिसतले जे चली म्हणल्यार आपले वजें म्हणटात पळय तांकांय दिसतले की ना चली ही वंशाची दिवली आणि ती सदांच अवेलेबल आसतली rather than solo.
One of the Sunday, as a group, maybe Goa could take some government action over weekend because I don't know, sir, I have asked, since we are in the nodal officer there, so what are we doing? Because cases are increasing day by day, even Goa also in other parts of India also. So at least with the entire group of our schools and we could speak something to our Goa government.
This has really worked because the students by themselves they could express. It's like a confidently, when you create confidence in them, they really come up and they tell how they are being tortured at home. And it's really pity on our part to hear from them. So they are the family members or someone in the family, they come and they really share with us. So whatever we could help, we have tried to help. So if other school also does such thing, we can do a lot for such children.